Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, I'm gonna cook a very traditional Damascene dish. It's very easy, really few ingredients, and really delicious. We just adore it. It's like a national dish. And what's even great about it, it's vegan and it's got lentils, and lentils are really healthy for our bodies. It's called Harrak Isbao. And we're going to start with lentils. The brown lentils, you just boil them in water until they're fully cooked. So here I have some fried onions, which I fried in olive oil. I've saved half for decorating the top, and this is going to go with the oil it was cooked in into the lentils. Always have some hot water ready because we might need to add more water. And salt. I have here dough, and the recipe is also on the website. And now we're just going to slice it with a pizza cutter. And we're gonna flour it more. Make sure you have enough flour so it doesn't stick together. Half of this dough we are gonna deep fry in some vegetable oil until it's crispy like this. And I'm gonna add the dough. Whenever you add a batch, stir it so they don't stick together. I'm gonna add some tamarind sauce. But if you don't find it, you can add lemon, anything sour that lends it that sourness the dish needs. And when you add the tamarind sauce, add it slowly because it differs from brand to brand, country to country, and you just want it to reach a correct sourness to your palate, so slowly. And always taste the salt is good, because the dough is going to absorb the salt from the sauce. At this stage, it's only the dough needs to cook, and then it needs to thicken a bit, and you adjust the salt and the sourness. Now, when you look at this, you'll think, it still needs more, it's too liquidy. It's not. Don't forget, the flour that's in the dough is going to still be absorbing liquid. And what we do, we just scoop it into either individual bowls, or you can just do one massive bowl. Once it's come down to room temperature, put it in the fridge. We eat it cold. And this one I prepared last night. See, it's quite firm. All it needs is the decoration or the toppings. We have some coriander, garlic. We're gonna add the coriander. You may wonder, why am I bashing it? The reason is, with the bashing, the aroma from the coriander is released. Now the decoration, we're gonna put some garlic and coriander, fried pastry, fried onions. These are the ones we reserved from before. This is the traditional way to make it using dough. If you don't have time, you can put pasta in there, and you can do some fried Arabic bread on the top. And also for the raw garlic and the coriander, if you don't like that raw flavor, you can slightly fry it and then add it to the top. You know, it's always optional. Make it your recipe. That's always what I say. It's just so simple and amazing, and most of all, it just took me back to my grandmother's house. Please give it a go.